rotation. So side bending locks every joint out except the AA joint, which is almost purely rotation. So rotates. Everything else is locked out except AA. So just a cool way to determine if C1, T move and not be restricted. And a little bit of flexion. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Just mechanics.